Okay, good morning, good afternoon, depends what time you're watching this. So today we are going to unbox the LG GP9 speaker. This is the new one for the gaming. It comes with the DTS, it comes with the Dolby audio, it comes with hi-fi, built-in battery up to 5 hours. So today we are going to unbox it. So let's start. We'll start by our unboxing. So this is how it looks like. By the way, it will give you this speaker will give you like 3D surrounding for the audio. It's made for the gaming, comes with hi-fi, 5-hour batteries, and you can use with the Bluetooth, you can use with the optical, and USB. It comes with the mic. So what else do we have here? This will be our wires. Like this is the charging cord, and this will be the directives. So for the meanwhile, let's try and see how it works. Everyone has been talking about it, so here we start. I guess okay, there is battery, so we can start. I'll try to connect my my phone, or I can connect my TV using Bluetooth. Let's try it. So if you're gonna use the USB, you have to press the white one. So now this is Bluetooth, so assuming if it's in white means there is that's USB. Then if it goes to red, that will be the optical. Then it comes with the Bluetooth. So for today we are going to use the Bluetooth, and for your information, it comes with the extra buttons, FPS, DT, RTS, and equalizer. So you can attach the headphones, as well as you're using the speaker. So it depends what you want, because this is coming with the output for the speaker. So in case you just want to attach your speakers, you can attach. You can use the optical, which will be this. The AUX will be there. Then this will be the charging port. Yeah, and the C type. So I guess we should give it a try right now. No more time to waste. Yeah, let me just connect my my small phone. Just 1 minute. So for your information, this is the gaming one. 5-hour battery life. And please kindly subscribe to our channel if you don't mind. You'll get the latest information, technology, unboxing, and so on. So I'll appreciate your subscription. Just connected, so let's give it a try.